Hari Singh Public School, Rewari. Today, students will discuss our English chapter article and we use definite article, article the.
Use of article the. With particular person. I saw the lady who is your neighbor. Okay, means the lady is the particular person here. Here we use the lady. Next is with a common name representing the whole class. Then we use the, means the earth, the sun, the sky, the moon. Okay, students? Next is the is used with superlatives, means third degree, like the tallest building, means this is the tallest building. The oldest man, here tallest and oldest are the superlatives. Okay, students, means third degree of adjective. Next is the words like first, third, last, next, only, same. With these words, we use article the, like the first row, the next room, the third boy, the same book. With the name of the rivers, seas and oceans, we use article the Pacific Ocean, the Red Sea, the Brahmaputra. Here next is the mountain ranges. We use article the with them. The Himalayas, the Nilgiri Hills, the Alps. We use article. Next is with trains, ships and aeroplanes. We use article the, like the Shatabdi Express, the British Airways. Then with holy books and scriptures, we use article the Quran, the Vedas, the Upanishad. We use article the with the Quran, the Vedas and the Upanishad. The next is article the is used with the newspapers like the Times of India, the Hindustan Times. These are the names of the newspapers. Here we use article the. Next is the historical monuments. With the name of the historical monuments, we use article the, like the Red Fort. Here article used is the. Then article the is used with the directions like the east, the west, the north, the south. These are the directions: east, west, north and south. Here we use article the. Then next is with whole families. We use article the Mehtas, the Guptas. Here whole families represent Mehtas and Guptas. We use article the with them. Next one is article the is used with the countries, contains kingdoms and states like the United States of America. Here states is used. Next is the United Kingdom. Here kingdom is used. Means in these two countries, kingdoms and states are there. That's why we use article the with them. Okay, students? After that, article the is used before an adjective represents a class. The rich, the underprivileged. Privileged means getting permission. Under, getting the permission. The rich, the underprivileged. Next is the is used with the unit of measurement. Here, the is used with the meter, the liter, the dozen. Okay, students? Here, the is used before adjective in comparative degree. Comparative means second degree of adjective. The older he grew, the wiser he became. Here, second degree is older and wiser. Okay, here also we use the with them. The older, the wiser. Last is the is also used with the following phrases like in the morning, in the afternoon, to play the guitar, on the one hand, on the other hand, on the move. Like in these phrases we use article the. Okay. Now thank you students. Have a great day today and do your homework properly and send it on the WhatsApp group. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Stay happy. Stay safe. Thank you. Thank you so much.